Hello and welcome. In the last few years, the world hasn't just changed, it's been rewritten by two simple letters AI. From self driving cars to creating art with a text prompt, artificial intelligence is now the most powerful tool ever created. But if you feel lost in the buzzwords, machine learning, deep learning, LLMs, don't worry. This is your definitive guide. In the next 15 minutes, we'll demystify AI, explore its true power, and understand how it's changing your world. Let's start with the most basic question. At its core, artificial intelligence is the science of making a machine perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Think about that: learning, reasoning, perception, and problem solving, all inside a computer. To truly understand AI, it helps to look at its history. Back in the 1950s, AI was about rule based systems. You programmed every single rule a machine needed. If X happens, do Y. This was called good old fashioned AI, or GoFi. But the real breakthrough came when we stopped giving the machine the answers and started giving it the data. We shifted from telling the machine what to do to showing the machine how to learn. This brings us to the most important subfield today: machine learning. Think of AI as the parent and these three concepts as its incredibly talented children. First one is the core machine learning, ML. This is where a computer's performance improves over time as it's exposed to more data. It uses statistical models to find patterns and make predictions. If you train an ML system with a million images of dogs, it will eventually learn to identify a dog in a new, unseen picture. Second one is deep learning, DL. This is a subset of ML. It uses complex digital structures called neural networks, which are modeled after the human brain. DL is the muscle behind image recognition, speech translation, and self driving cars. It's necessary for handling massive amounts of unstructured data like images and sound. And the third is generative AI, Gen I. This is the game changer that exploded recently. While traditional AI predicts or classifies, generative AI creates. Tools like ChatGPT or image generators use Gen AI to produce brand new text, code, music, or images that didn't exist before. It learned the patterns of human creativity and is now running with them. AI isn't a futuristic concept, it's what makes your smartphone smart. Let's look at three key areas where you use it every single day. First one is natural language processing, NLP. This is how AI understands human language. Think of your email's spam filter, or how Google can instantly translate text from one language to another. It's reading, understanding, and communicating with you. The second one is computer vision. This is how AI sees and interprets images and video. This is used in everything from facial recognition on your phone to quality control in factories that spot tiny defects faster than any human. And third is recommendation engines. This is the invisible hand guiding your consumption. Services like Netflix or Amazon track your past behavior, compare it to millions of other users, and suggest the exact movie or product you'll most likely engage with. This is a powerful, personalized application of machine learning. To better understand where AI is heading, we classify it based on its capability, like a power level. First one, artificial narrow intelligence, ANI. This is what nearly all AI today is. It is highly effective at one specific narrow task, like playing chess, translating French, or generating an image. It excels, but only in its program domain. Second is artificial general intelligence, AGI. This is the theoretical holy grail. AGI would possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply its intelligence to any intellectual task that a human can do. It could learn to code, then write a novel, then manage a company, all without being specifically pre programmed for each task. AGI does not exist yet, but it's the goal of many top labs. Third is artificial superintelligence, ASI. Even further out, this would be an AI that is smarter than the best human brains in virtually every field: including scientific creativity and social skills. This is firmly in the realm of theory and philosophy. As AI gets more powerful, the need for ethical guidelines becomes critical. It's not just about what AI can do, but what it should do. One major challenge is bias. AI systems learn from the data we give them. If the data reflects human biases, say historical, racial, or gender biases, the AI will learn and perpetuate those same biases in its decisions, whether it's approving a loan or recommending a job candidate. Another issue is accountability and transparency. If a self driving car causes an accident or an AI that denies someone a medical treatment, who is responsible? We need systems that are explainable and where decisions can be traced and understood. Ultimately, AI is a tool. It is not here to replace humanity, but to augment it. The most valuable skills in the future will be the unique human abilities: empathy, creativity, ethical judgment, and asking the right questions. So, there you have it. AI is a vast, accelerating field built on the principles of machine learning, deep learning, and the creative power of generative AI. It's moving quickly, and the best way to thrive in this new world is to understand the basics. The conversation around AI is happening now, and you are now equipped to be a part of it. Your homework is simple. The next time you see a cool piece of technology, ask yourself, is that ANI, or are we getting closer to AGI? Ready to jump to the next level? Hit that subscribe button and check out our next video on Python for machine learning. Thanks for watching.